My name is Joseph, and I specialize in helping websites to rank in Google and to get more leads to grow their business. When doing a Google search for Columbia, South Carolina plastic surgeons, these three doctors are eating up all of your business online. You're coming up on page 4, and they're coming up on page 1, the top of page 1. And you're probably getting sick of seeing them growing their business, even if you were in Florence and they were in Columbia. The reason why you're not on page 1 is because nobody is finding you. I'm going to show you in less than 4 minutes exactly what has to take place to get your website visible and to get more people interested in your services so you make a ton more appointments and get more money. Sound fair? Now, I did see your website, and it looks good. It's very informative. It's easy to follow and easy to view. There are a few things you can do to move you up quickly in the rankings. And I have a tool that I use to help me to audit websites. The first thing that we want to take a look at are the two most important things that Google looks for when they rank a site. The H1 and H2 tag and the metadata tag. We're going to go ahead and check out the metadata tag first. I already put your website, Griffin Plastic Surgeon, SurG.com there. And your metadata tag tells people that you're about Griffin Plastic Surgery. If someone types it in their search, you will come up. But that's not, doctor, what they're typing in. They're typing in plastic surgeon near me, most likely. Or perhaps even the town, Columbia or Florence. The second thing that Google looks for is your H1 and H2 tag. The H1 and H2 tag. I'm going to bring that up in just a second. I'll paste your website in there. Analyze button. And your metadata tag is telling Google about you, and it says, "Welcome to Griffin Plastic Surgery." Again, if someone types it in their cell phone, you're going to come up, probably on page 1. But that's not what they type in. What you need to put in there for your H1 and H2 is something to do with what people will type in. For example, I would suggest Columbia / Florence Plastic Surgeons, then the name of your firm. That would work. And the H2 page says you're a board certified plastic surgeon and to view your photo gallery. A suggestion to get more views, more people to see that your site, more people to come up, have you come up closer to page 1, people call you for appointments, is to change that to say either one or two things the first line, either Columbia plastic surgeon or either Columbia-Florence plastic surgeon or a combination of those. That way, if someone's using your cell phone and they punch in plastic surgeon near me, you're going to come up. And they only like to have 2 points in there. So the second point, you can have Florence-Columbia plastic surgeon and also board certified plastic surgeon. That would work. When Google doesn't get the right signals, Google gets a little confused and doesn't rank you. I would recommend tweaking the points I mentioned, add some more content to support the titles. Now we can fix your site so people will see it. You'll get a lot more phone calls to work with for folks to come in for appointments, and that's what counts. This will double or triple your sales each month. Now those top 3 guys I showed you, 3 doctors I showed you, they're getting 80% of the Google business. Reply to this message and I'll answer any questions you may have, and let's get started. This is Joseph, and I hope you have a good day, doctor.